What's up, guys? Welcome to today's vlog. We are in Old Town Sacramento, standing right in front of the train museum. You can see that. Anyways, we're gonna grab food and then probably go check out the train museum. And Bethany hasn't been here in a long time, but this place is pretty important to her because her great-grandfather has a train at this museum. Yeah. So we're gonna check that out and show you guys.
That just shows you where it is.
Oh, that's not exciting.
It could be more exciting.
Yeah, if we like to
do a light show.
Light show. All right, come on.
Is it now? Is it down here in belly?
No. Look at this guy's stash. This waste stash is up there. Excuse me, miss. Do you know what time it is?
I only read digital.
You only read digital?
I only read digital.
Can we get 2 tickets to Hogwarts? Please? Hello? Why are you just staring at me like that? She's frozen. Creeping me out, lady.
They're jumping out of it.
Okay, talk about creeping me out. Look at this crazy kid right here. Freaky. It's vlog. It's better than bad, it's wood. Looks like some crazy torture device to me.
Of course, that's what you would say.
Just a little bit more.
Huh?
A little more pizzazz on this one.
Yeah. Alright, this is the train we were just inside. Right here. And this one's cool. It's the old school one right here. Let's go look at your favorite train first, though.
My favorite? That's not my favorite train.
Yeah, I thought you were all about the futuristic train right here.
I don't.
Like this one right here. I said this one looks like Iron Man's helmet.
Full scale mock-up,
Yeah.
high speed.
This is what the high-speed railroad is gonna look like. It does not look as cool as the old school trains.
No.
Steam engines those are really cool. That's just a California thing? The railroad?
No, it's more than just that.
Oh, really?
It's sort of like Japan.
The 21st century, from America to Asia, new countries made the leap. Nearly every year, new lines and new services were created. The networks expanded.
Wow. Alright, so it looks like you'll be able to travel everywhere on this thing. This just looks like Star Trek in here, though.
Renaissance was
The difference between
Can I press the red button? I really want to press
Yeah,
the
press it. Press it.
Press the red button.
Which button? That
It's
button?
calling to me.
up to the point of arrival.
Boop, boop. What does that do?
High-speed rail.
Self-destruct.
Self-service, wine, beer.
Because at least it has wine.
I doubt when they launch it here in California, the beers are only going to be $4.
In San Diego.
No, this is where it's
All
going to
the
go
way
in
to
California.
Sacramento.
I don't know if I want to be sitting backwards going 220 miles an hour.
No, you don't. I'll tell you right now, you don't.
Did you find our lost mail?
No,
Huh.
I didn't. Is it over here somewhere?
No. Is it in there? No. What is this? This is a coach card?
This sleeper.
Sleeper. This is like claustrophobic.
Are you claustrophobic yet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why is it moving?
I don't know, but that's not helping.
Oh, okay. It's really tight in here, and it's moving. It feels like we're actually moving.
Do you sleep in the...
Oh, there's a little sleep spot right here.
Double bunk?
Whoa.
Oh, is this the high class? You get your own suite?
So this is where Harry Potter was at, right?
When what happened? Where are you gonna go with that?
Dermer fact, that's all.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he slept in here.
Slept in there with Weasley and what's her name?
Hermione.
Hermione. There's Harry Potter, he's sleeping right now.
I love that all your train facts have something to do with Harry Potter.
Well, that's what it reminds me of.
Did you take trains like this when you were in Europe?
This is where he did his Potter business.
Didn't you take trains like this?
Yes, well, I went to Europe before, and to get anywhere traveling in Europe, we just took trains everywhere. Just the kitchen, and goodness happens. He's making some toast and ham and eggs back there.
He does not look like he likes his job.
Now we're at the train they use in Back to the Future, in the Western one. Just another Dermer fact for you guys.
We got a lot of those, don't we?
I like the front end of this one. Is that it?
A Western took 7 years to complete and was finished in February 29th, 1964, and can pull 20 adults.
This can pull 20 adults? Like they
There's
put...
a picture of him actually sitting on it.
Yeah, that's how, last time I was here at the museum they had that picture. So this is the train that her great-grandfather made.
Yeah. There's a picture of him with this train in a Japanese magazine, and he's writing on it.
Yeah.
No, it totally works. It's completely functioning. High school learners set out to see what America has to offer. Usually making its way to Derek Clark, Robert Baker,
What'd you think?
It's been a long time since I've seen it. Like 15 years or something, I don't know. It's cool though. It's crazy that he made it. My parents have a bunch of his clocks and stuff that he made because he used to make clocks and everything too, but this is cool. I want to turn it on.
Yeah, the logo's cool.
Yeah. Your dad had a big old train set, right?
Oh yeah, that is right. When I was a kid, we used to have a really big train set. It might have been around this scale right here, but it was really big. It took up like the whole back room at our house. Dude, check out this stuff. This is awesome. Surgery.
Yeah. The train workers show. So sad to see them laying on their back like that.
So guys, if you ever come to Sacramento, make sure you guys stop by the train museum. It's a pretty cool place to come visit, especially I think the kids will enjoy it. We gotta come back again next time with Zoe. Guys, that was the whole museum. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you keep this channel going on down, or chugging on down the track. Never mind. Anyways, hit that subscribe button so you keep on living the good life, the Dermer life.
Later.
Chugging on.